Hey guys, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections, doing inspection out here in Bellevue today. We get asked this question quite a bit as we're getting phone calls and stuff, whether or not we do inspections during inclement weather. Well, the answer to that is yes. We will do inspections during inclement weather. Let me take a look out here for you. Nice little snow blizzard here in Nebraska today. Supposed to get around 8-12 inches of snow, but yes, we come out, we still do the inspections. A little bit limited on the visual part. We're doing roofs and exterior stuff due to that snow, but we can always set up an appointment to come back out and reevaluate things as the weather clears up. So feel free to still give us a call. Midlands Home Inspections, 402-401-6054. So schedule those inspections even during this bad weather. We'll look forward to working with you. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.